Your father said motivation gets us started with a particular thing that we want to
watch to get to.
Yeah. Discipline keeps us going.
Yes. Motivation gets you started.
Motivation gets you started.
Yeah.
And the father says that motivation is like taking a hot shower. The effects do not last so long.
You feel good, you be warmed up.
Yeah, exactly. And then
after you're back to square one.
Yeah, so in everything that we do, let's always be disciplined for us to achieve the results that we want to achieve in life.
And discipline, for me, when one talks about discipline, what comes to mind is consistency. There's a time I watched some years back. I watched this pastor, Mike Todd.
Yeah, Mike Todd.
I watched him talk about consistency and differentiating consistency from the reality of consistency to what people think consistency is. And he showed consistency to be so many, like imagine you have, let's say, 7 cups. 1 cup on Monday is very full. Tuesday it's 3/4 full. Let's say Wednesday it's like really a quarter full. Then let's say Thursday it's back to 3/4. Then Friday, it's somewhere at a half. Saturday like that. And then what people often think consistency is, or what discipline should look like, is having a full cup full all the way.
Okay.
But consistency, and I'll talk of consistency in terms of discipline, is showing up, whether you feel good, whether regardless of the circumstances, you will choose to show up, do what you need to do. If it is in relation to reading books, if it is in relation to doing the research that you know you need to do, you will do the small steps that matter.
If it's in relation to starting up a business,
yeah,
you have to keep on showing up.
You have to keep showing up.
The moment you are reluctant, or I'm not receiving customers, I'm posting and no one is liking my videos,